How to report an accident into GIS. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can report an accident into GIS. So the first step is to launch the 2GIS app on your Android or your iOS. And then after you've launched, you'll be brought to the home page. So once you're on this page, next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see the layers icon and then click on it. By clicking on it, you'll see map layers. Then select traffic event. The other traffic event, you can see road accident. So ensure you select that. Click on done. And once you've selected that, the road accident has already been marked. And then once you have done that, next step is to locate find the particular location on the map where the accident held. So mark the location, tap and hold the spot on the map where the accident occurred. Then you can see the option for you to add traffic alert. Click on that, and then you can see that road accident has been brought up already since you've selected it before. Then go ahead to add a comment to the alert. So leave a comment describing the accident, and if possible, upload a photo by using the add photo option here. Then tap send to submit your report. Then your report will be reviewed, and if confirmed, it will be displayed on the map to alert other users. So that is it. So this is basically it. This is how you can report an accident into GIS. So ensure that you find your way to the top left corner of the screen, click on traffic events, click on road accident, tap and hold, select traffic alert, select road accidents, add the comments, and lives would be saved. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.